3 fantastic guava leaves face packs for oily skin. We all eat the tropical fruit guava. But, what do we do with its leaves? Most of us may throw them away. This is because we don't know that guava leaves are quite useful. The leaves are great for skin. Wondering how to use guava leaves on skin? Don't worry, we will help you with this. Here are three types of face packs prepared from guava leaves and a few other ingredients. It will make your skin healthy and glowing. Guava leaf face pack for oily skin. If your skin is too oily, guava leaves can help to regulate sebum, oil, production on skin and keep your skin clear. You need handful of guava leaves, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 5 tablespoons of water. Preparation method. Blend the leaves in water and make a paste. Now take 2 tablespoons of this leaf paste and add 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice to it. Apply this mixture on skin. Leave on for half an hour. Rinse with cool water. Pat dry. You can use the leftover paste, which does not contain lemon juice, for 2-3 more days. Refrigerate it. This pack can be used daily on skin. Guava leaf face pack for blackheads and acne. Acne indicates bacterial infection coupled with inflammation on skin. Guava leaves have anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants. So, they are good for skin prone to acne and blackheads. You need handful of guava leaves, pinch of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 5 tablespoons of water. Preparation method. Blend guava leaves with water and form a thick paste. Take a tablespoon of this paste and add a pinch of turmeric and a tablespoon of aloe vera gel to it. Apply this mixture on skin. Leave on for 20 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Pat dry. Refrigerate the leftover paste and use it over 2-3 days. You can use this pack twice or thrice a week.